Hi there, welcome. Today's recipe is kedgeree of mushrooms. Okay, first thing what we are going to do, I've got 4 eggs in water. We're going to turn that on. We're going to bring them to the boil. Then we let them simmer for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then I've got some water and vegetable cubes in there. We're going to turn that on. So later on, we will use the stock for the rice. Then I've got 2 medium onions. We are going to peel them and we're going to chop them and put them in 2 separate containers, which are here. One for the rice and one for the mushroom mix. Remember, always do your best before you prepare any recipes to prepare all the ingredients before. Make sure you've got all the ingredients in the kitchen, and if you want to take it step further, do good planning for food. So we're gonna just chop the onion just a quick chop, and we're gonna put this onion into this container. And the other one into this container. So at the moment, we are preparing the ingredients, and then when we've got all the ingredients ready, we will start cooking this beautiful, nice and healthy as well dish. So the other onion goes into this container for the mushrooms. Now, what we are going to do, I've got 1 carrot, which is already washed. We're going to take the top and the end off, and we are going to cut it into small cubes. This carrot is going to be for the rice. You do not need to be perfect. Just a small cubes, it will be fine. So that's the carrots. It will go with the onion for the rice. Okay, now I've got some garlic peeled. I'm gonna take 4 or 5 cloves. I love to leave garlic peeled in the kitchen. one of the things that I really like most, because it is very, very healthy as well. I'm gonna put the garlic with the mushroom mix. So, second container is for the mushroom. So that is the garlic. Now, what we're going to do, I've got some mushrooms in here, mixed mushrooms. Just even with your hand, you can chop it or rip it like that. Okay? So you don't even need the knife for the mushrooms. As you can see, the eggs are boiling. I can turn that down and leave them to simmer about 5 minutes. And then we will put them in cold water and we peel them later on. And I've got some button mushrooms, which I'm gonna leave them as they are whole. All right, so that's the mushrooms ready in there. So now I've got one potato, which I'm gonna peel. As you can see, I'm working with a container in there for the peeling. The stock is boiling, that we can turn that off, and I can give it a good mix like that. Beautiful. So that is done in there. So it is important, especially if you're a beginner in the kitchen, to work nice and tidy, that you'll avoid kind of confusion. So what we're going to do with the potato, we're going to grate the potato and we're going to leave it on the side. We're going to leave it on the side, so later on we will use it for the mushroom mix. So that is the potato in there. We're going to leave it on the chopping board. So now we've got the stock going, which is off but ready. We've got the eggs going, and we've got the preparation for the dish. So we can start preparing the cooking for the kedgeree. So I've got two saucepans in here, two pots, sorry. We're gonna turn those on a medium to high heat. Well, in fact, I'm gonna put this one on the side and I'm gonna use that. And we're gonna add some butter. Some butter in here and some butter in here. Then, what we're gonna do, we're gonna add the mushroom, sorry, the carrots and the onions in here. And the other one, I should have the mushroom on the side in there. I'm gonna add the onion and carrot in there. Sorry, the onion and garlic in there. And the mushrooms as well. And we are going to cook this for about 2 minutes. Okay, so here we've got the onion and carrots, and here we've got the onion, garlic, and the mushrooms. We're going to cook this for about 2 minutes. Then we will add the rice, which, remember, always when you're going to use the rice, make sure you give it a wash. And I'm going to add some saffron too, plus of course the stock. Beautiful. So now I'm going to add the rice in there. And some saffron as well. And the stock that we prepared earlier. Here, and we are going to leave that to simmer about 15 minutes. We're going to bring it to the boil, of course, and then let it simmer for about 15 minutes. In the meantime, in here, we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. We're going to add, I've got a half of vegetable cubes in there. I'm going to add some curry paste as well, 1 teaspoon of curry paste in there. And of course, our potato. Give it a good mix, and we will add the milk as well. Look at that, beautiful. So now we add the milk as well. And we are going, so on this one, we turn the heat down. We're gonna let it simmer for 15 minutes. And the mushroom mix as well. I'm gonna bring it to the boil, and then we let it simmer for about 15 minutes. So when we come back, everything will be ready in the same time. Of course, we've got the eggs going, which is a minute or so. We can turn them off and peel them. So, but before we do that, I just remind you for the ingredients and the method, do look below this video. Otherwise, you can always log on to our website, robbenjace.com, where there you can find much more recipes, everyday's recipes from pasta, fish, meat. They are all easy to follow. They are all step by step. So there's nothing to be scared about. Just planning, prepare, and come, follow, and you can prepare a nice plate of food. And please do share our work, and so we encourage more families to go into kitchen and cook nice, simple, beautiful food as well. As you can see, you do not need any exceptional skills or any particular skills. Just a bit of planning and a little bit of organizing, and you will do a nice plate of food. Thank you for that. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to refresh the eggs, peel them, and let them ready. And then when we come back, we turn the rice off and the mushroom, and basically we can serve with the eggs and with some chopped parsley as well. So now, after 15 minutes, what we're going to do, we're going to turn the rice off and the mushroom mix off. We are going to put the rice into this baking dish. Then we just need to serve. But before we do that, if you want little bit more enrich the mushroom mix, you can add a little bit of cream at the end, and of course turn it on to bring it back to the boil, which is going to take a minute or so, and we're going to serve with the parsley. So that is boiling. You can switch it off. Beautiful. And we are going to serve this beautiful kedgeree with mushrooms. Some rice. And then some mushrooms on top. This beautiful mushroom mix on top. The egg. And of course, some parsley on top. And here you have it. Kedgeree of mushroom mix. For more video recipes, please click the right hand side bottom of the screen to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more recipe ideas. And thank you very much for watching, and have a good day. Bye now. Bye-bye.